What's up, Sifu Kairesh here. Today I'm going to... Where am I going? I'm going to Raup. I'm driving all the way from Seremban to Raup because I want to try this kari kepala ikan. Very famous in Raup. Okay? And their roti canai, their fried chicken. Oh yo, it's going to be so nice. So I am on my way to Raup now, driving in this my minivan, not minivan, a mini car, SUV. Okay, so just give me about half an hour. Once I reach, I will open my video again to shoot. Alright guys, so I'm on my way to what is this road? This road is on the way to Frasers Hill. Okay, apparently I'm supposed to go to Raup to have my durian and my kari kepala ikan, because I heard kari kepala ikan in Raup is very famous, the roti canai and all that, until somebody mentioned about, okay, until Samita, show me, you don't sit there for what, show me, I'm here, there, nothing there, road only, okay, look at me, okay, so, Phil, my cameraman, okay, so, okay, so, I decided to take a detour to go to Frasers Hill because I heard from my GPS Frasers Hill is only 1 hour away. I drive faster lah, oi. Okay, so what I was talking just now? Someone suggests there's this there's this restaurant by the name of Smokehouse in Frasers. From what I know, Smokehouse only in Cameron Highlands. That's very nice. The scones is very nice. I heard Fraser Hill also got a Smokehouse, and their scones are very nice. Now it's going to be 3 o'clock. They told me their scones is from 3 to 6. So I'm actually driving there now. So if you want to have a look at the journey, I'll show you a few. As I'm going up the hill, I can show you some scenes. Okay, so like now you see here. I don't know what town is this. Okay. I don't know what town is this. What is it? Kampung Baru Trust Road. Oh, beautiful, huh? See the hill. So the hill, so beautiful, huh? Don't tell me that one is Frasers Hill, huh?
Turn right onto Jalan Gap Bukit Fraser, Route 56.
This way up, huh?
Yeah, you want to go
Continue on Route 56 for 8 kilometers.
Thank you. One way. See here. Ooh. Bukit Frasers. Oh, it's one way. Alright, let's go to Frasers Hill. Alright, we are nearby Frasers Hill already. We're gonna arrive to the Frasers Hill roundabout. Look there lah, look at me for a while. Look there. See, beautiful lah. Oh, Frasers Hill. Now we need to find this place called Smokehouse. I don't know where is this. Alright, this is Smokehouse Frasers Hill. Where to park my car? Here. Ooh, looks good, huh? Alright, we have arrived to Smokehouse Frasers Hill. Come, let's go. Hello.
Hi. Wait for tea.
Huh? Scones, everything.
Yes. You want to sit outside? Outside. How are you?
Very well.
Outside or inside?
Outside? Inside?
Inside.
Inside, huh?
Inside?
I don't know.
Later, if we need you to move the car, we'll let you know.
Yeah, let me know. Yeah. I think you just go sit inside lah. Hmm?
No, I'm not a tea man. Tea man. The tiger tea man. Enough of scones for the past 30 years.
30 years.
Please have a seat.
Ooh. I just take a video outside now. Order what you want to order lah. Scones lah. Huh? Such a beautiful place. I just arrived smokehouse in Frasers Hill. Such a beautiful place. Come, I show you. Oh. 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 This is so beautiful. Oh. Hmm?
Abandoned.
What's that?
Abandoned the fish head curry and the durian,
It's
and
not
let's
what
come
it
here
used
for
to be. You can
scones.
get better ones in KL.
Oh, last time used to be famous. Now not
Last
so.
time, yes, when they
Taking. Yeah, continue. Just taking a travel vlog.
the high-ranking Imperial Army officers during the First and Second World War,
Oh.
more of retreat and rehab. And 1937, Smokehouse took over the place. We refurbished the place to be more Anglican, more Tudorish. Lunch tak ada, sekarang tea time.
Which one you want? I'll take this one. Okay, we'll take this one for 2 people. Superb. Oh.
Can do? 50 for two.
Yeah, take for 2. Oh, check this out. Oh, so beautiful. Oh. Seriously, this smokehouse is even more beautiful and bigger than the one that I went in Cameron Highlands. This is huge. Even according to him, this smokehouse is actually older than the one in Cameron Highlands. Oh. Oh. So beautiful. Oh. Ooh, the plant. Wow, so beautiful, huh? Ooh. Ini cameraman punya kerja. Cameraman sekarang mau makan. So, saya jadi cameraman. Cameraman want to enjoy the view, so I become the cameraman lah. 呢個識講童話
識
哇！
如保出
咁犀
聲啊！
利，咁犀利啊！
你都識講啊？
我真係識講啊，少少，
早啲唔好出聲。
少少聲啊！This is being Cantonese. His name is Afis, right? He speaks so fluent Cantonese. Thank you.
Yeah.
You have the scones. Oh, got two scones. This is the famous scone. Ooh. Cream cake. Wow, this is so nice. Check out the scones. So beautiful. Very, very messy. Fraser Hill tea. Ooh, wrongly poured. Have to put filter. This is called Smart Alex. Must put the filter. Sorry, cameraman. Okay. The cameraman, this is the filter. Now pour the tea in through the filter. Yeah. Okay. Take this glass and go. No, I don't want sugar. There. For you. Beautiful scones. You guys need to come here and try. Wonderful scones. You have to put this cream and then what is that? Or jam? It's a jam. It's a cream into the scones, and then you eat. Okay, I am going to eat now. I off the camera. Okay. Ooh. Check this out. This is so good. This is so good. This is so good. This is so good. Honestly, to tell you, I really like coming to Frasers Hill. It's such a beautiful place. And it's so cool, it's so nice. It's just 2 hours only from here. I thought Frasers Hill was a little bit laid back. Cameron is the best. Frasers, I like Frasers. Such a nice place. See, so beautiful. Smokehouse. Oh. I can sit down and have a tea and have a look at those mountains there. I mean, you can't see here, it's that side. The mountains are so beautiful. Layers of mountains. You can see Gunung Tahan also. Titi Wangsa and Gunung Tahan. It's really nice. Really, really nice. In fact, I'll be making more videos when I come here next week.